Guys, hello. I pressed something. Guys, I'm Daiana Dai. This is Mega Millions Mike, and today we're unwrapping some Christmas present. We're getting ready for a Christmas adventure. Yay!
We actually won $500.
My name is Jahaira.
We got some China tickets.
Today with Mia.
Look at that! I never won so much. So I'm Miss Maddie and $50. Boom!
I'm Daiana Dai.
It's Angel Laura. We're gonna be millionaires. Subscribe for more of our adventures, okay? Come on. Mega Millions Mike. Forever.
Today we're getting ready for our Christmas adventure. We have here some gifts that we're gonna unwrap from our stockings. So we're gonna start with yours first. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Damn! Wow! Congratulations! Santa was really nice this year. We had a new camera over here, a new tripod, new camera. So special. So this is a camera that we have. It looks amazing. The tripod looks beautiful. Whenever you open it, it turns on and you can see yourself. You can, how do you there we go. So whenever you're filming, you see what you're filming. Now we're gonna switch the camera and we're gonna see, you gotta tell us if you can see a better quality. And now we're gonna open my present over here. Chun, 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 chun. Look at this! We got some lottery tickets. Chun, chun, chun. And we also have a letter, a fan letter. I'm so excited to read this. This is so cute. Thank you guys for sending things. We really appreciate it. You guys are the best. And this is a letter that Howard and Amanda sent us. We are super, super grateful. Thank you guys so, so, so much. And we're excited to open it. Chun, chun, chun. Let me just have this so I can, oh, actually, I think I can just do this. Chun, 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 chun. Let's see. Chun, 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 chun. Oh, it's a letter. Oh, a Christmas letter. This is so cute. Let's see what it says. Wishing you many choices Christmas season and throughout the new year. Merry Christmas, happy holidays and Matlocks. Oh, thank you so much. Merry Christmas, guys. Thank you so much for your present. This is super cute and we're gonna save it. And guys, we have an update soon. We're gonna open our own PO box so you guys can send us Christmas cards, lottery tickets that you want us to scratch, whatever you guys want. We just love that you guys can reach out to us, and hopefully we can do that soon. We got $100 in 200X Christmas scratching tickets. And we're gonna scratch them right now, so wish us luck. So we're looking for 200X, for symbols like a star, 2X, 5X, things like that. So hopefully, chun chun chun, we'll win some. We got 47, 9, 15, 30, 39, 28, 43, and 49. 62, 11, 53, 63, 18, 45, 47, 37, 4, 36, 52, 13, 26, 40, 27, 22, 19, 6, come on, 24, come on, no, not losing hope, 57, 64, 25, 14, 48, 49, so close, 65, 17, but don't lose hope, we'll still have some, wait, no, where is it? I don't, oh, they're numbers, bonus numbers. Okay, so we have 9. Oh wait, we got something, oh my god, and I was barely about to scratch it. Yes, you see, there's no, never mind, I don't have any words. This thing of being bilingual, I don't even know how to speak at this point. 3, chin. Come on, another one. 31. I'm 35. Ding. 20 bucks. Nice. So you won over the money from this ticket. Hopefully. So let's see if my theory is right. So 1 yes, 1 no, 1 yes, 1 no. Let's see. Hopefully this one has though. That has like multiply and even bigger numbers. Chin. Let's see. 4, 60, 45, 8, 46, 6, 47, and 40. So we're in around the fours. Around the fours. 12, 27, 35, 56, 16, 14, 51, 39, 21, 61, so close, 11, 7, 3, 53, 18, 25, 26, 1, 33, 44, 37, 15, 36, 64, 34, 57, 65, 41, damn, 9, if this was the other way around, and 38. Quack. So my theory is proving itself. We'll see the next one. This one should have a winner. 4, 54, 19, 29, 7, 11, 21, and 49. 17, 26, 30, 44, 15, 36, 35, 22, 37, 57, 42, 62, 38, 61, 33, 9, 34, 65, 28, 1, 64, 51, come on, come on, come on, 47, come on, come on, come on, come on, 6, and 13, and 18, 39, 3, 16, and 59. Wow, my theory was wrong. My theory was wrong. Hopefully we'll get to win in the next one of these. Chun 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 chun. 49, 7, 61, 9, 8, 33, 52, and 15. Chun 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 chun. Got 65, 35, 64, 42, 59. Nice! Good job! Yes! Woo! Yay! Nice! Yes! 38, 57, 62. Come on, another one. 24, 53, 63, 21, 43, 28, 12, that's 52, 18, 14, 41, 40, 3, 6, 44, 46, 11, 34, 47, 27, 4, 45. Chin chin chin. Let's see how much we got in here. Chan 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 chan. Nice. You got 20 back. 20 bucks back. Yes. 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 Hopefully in this one, since my theory is wrong, this one should have like 150, 200 bucks at least, like minimal. So channelizing that energy to 100 bucks, 100 bucks, 100 bucks. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Dun dun dun. 41, 11, 52, 25, 19, 54, 8, and 29. Perfect. 55. This is sorry. Is it mine? Oh. 55. That was loud. 60. 26. 36. 47. 27. 31. 53. 45. Hopefully it was 64. 22. 23. 25. 49. 65. 33. 24. 16, 1, 15, 7, 48, 56, 17, 51, 32, come on, come on, come on, 9, 30, 21, 63, and 3. Okay, but at least we got to win 2 of them. So it's something. You always have to see the positive in things. So we won something, and that's what we're focusing on. And we are attracting more winners, more lottery winning tickets. So guys, this is a Sony ZV1. It has 4K, as you can see. I'm gonna flip it over. And you guys can tell us what do you think. Also, people have said that the battery of the camera is not good, but we already filmed the whole video and we are still at full battery. But we are also bought a new battery that's on its way, so we're gonna have so much footage for you guys. Now you're gonna tell us, what do you think about the camera, about the quality? Tell us what you think in the comments down below. We loved recording for you guys. I hope to see you next time. Leave a comment down below, give it a thumbs up, and follow us. It was so nice to see you. Mwah! Have a great day.
This time I'm not taking a dip in the pool, but check out all these members here. Thank you for all the support and the much love. And don't forget to join this membership to protect yourself. You never know.
Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support, guys. So much.